Now what we're going to talk about is how to maintain your weedless yard. And what this one allows you to do is you just slightly crack that top, push the container, and it fills up with, and on the side it tells you how many ounces it is. And you're going to gently pour it into pump sprayer. Now that you've added that 4 ounces, you're going to grab some plant food, any plant food that will work, water soluble. You dump it in there. So we're going to go ahead and fill this up. Now what we're going to do is we're going to pump this up, probably take 15 pumps. Remember how I was telling you about expansive root systems? Weeds that you think you've pulled, but you haven't done anything to eradicate them. You haven't pulled the roots. The root systems are so expansive, there's nothing you can do. So, to the rescue, Mark's signature recipe that will help trick the weed in thinking it's getting fed, and then bam, bam, lights out. Okay, give that a try. I think you'll be happy.